everybody, Andrew Bulpin here for another recording of All In with Bulpin. And we're going to be talking about some of the trends for 2022 in the biopharma industry. When we talk about CDMO and novel modalities, we must talk about cell and gene therapies, viral vectors. What are key areas of focus for you in 2022?
For us, the key area of focus is really around optimization and bringing that to our customers, companies that are developing cell and gene therapies. So you may have heard that NIH and FDA recently formed a program with top biopharma companies to reduce the cost of developing gene therapy. Their focus is in AAV, adeno-associated virus, but similar to their thinking, we are also investing a lot in innovation to drive productivity, scale up, and standardization of viral vector production. In 2022, I expect that we see the translation of these innovation efforts into our contract manufacturing services, benefiting our customers. So for example, our Virus Express lentivirus producer cell line, together with our manufacturing template, will give customers a way to manufacture in suspension culture, allowing them to scale up from 200 liter to 1,000 liter. And also saving them time from developing their process from scratch, from developing and drafting the necessary documentation from scratch, so they can get into manufacturing much faster. And now we also added large-scale manufacturing capacity in our Carlsbad campus in California. So any customers that work with us can manufacture their viral vectors in adherent form, in suspension form, from small scale like 200 liter all the way to 1,000 liter scale. And then the second, I think, prediction or trend that I will highlight is that we will continue to see the bar set higher and higher from a regulatory and quality perspective. And we are ready to support our customers from both an innovation and also our commercialization standpoint. With 3 to 4 commercial products already in our belts, we are there to get ready to help customers accelerate their path to cures.
Outstanding. Really do have a lot going on. And I do feel that the idea of templating the manufacturing process will bring with it a level of reproducibility, level of regulatory compliance, and just overall sort of safety and quality for the patients, which has got to be good moving forward. So thank you for those insights. And don't forget to tune in next time for another episode of All In with Bulpin. Cheers now.